Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about x equals to the square root of number 2 times t. Because if I put this one go in here, you got about 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. Tan t square plus 1, we change secant of t square, and later that we simplify by the square root. So we need to do first derivative for the both sides, and you got about the x equals to the square root of number 2 secant of t square dt. So I will put this one go in here. The x we change by this one. So this is about 2 tan t square. Number 2, we can do about factorization. This one you got about secant of t square. The square root of number 2 secant of t square, you got about the square root of number 2 secant of t. Now we need to simplify the square root of number 2 secant of t on numerator and denominator, and then you got about secant of t dt. The integration of this one, you got about ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and we put about c. About t, that is about this one. So we need to divide both sides by the square root of number 2. And we got about t equals to arctan of this one. So we put this one to change for t. So tan with arctan, you got about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.